Did you know that a simple plank can work wonders for your entire body? It's true, planking engages multiple muscle groups, strengthens your core, and improves your posture. I'm all about simple yet effective exercises, and the plank is a fantastic example of that. I decided to embark on a 30-day plank challenge, committing to holding a plank for 1 minute every single day. At first it seemed like a simple task, but I quickly realized it was more challenging than I anticipated. Why? Because I wanted to prove that even with a busy schedule, you can squeeze in a quick workout and reap amazing benefits. Plus, I love challenging myself and inspiring others to get moving. The first few days were tough. My core felt like it was on fire, and I questioned my decision. But as the days went by, I noticed my form improving and my endurance increasing. By the end of the first week, I could hold the plank with more stability and less discomfort. I made it a point to plank wherever I was, whether at home, in the park, or even at the gym. Sometimes I even got my friends to join in, turning it into a fun group activity. By the end of the month, I noticed significant changes. My core was stronger, my posture improved, and I felt more confident. This challenge taught me that consistency is key, and that small daily efforts can lead to big results. Reflecting on this journey, I realized that the plank challenge was not just about physical strength, but also about mental resilience. Now I'm ready to take on new challenges and continue pushing my limits. So if you're looking for a simple yet effective way to improve your fitness, I highly recommend giving the plank challenge a try. Let's be honest, planking can get a bit boring. Holding still for an extended period isn't always the most thrilling activity, but I was determined to overcome the mental hurdle and build consistency. I knew that the physical and mental rewards would be worth it. Section 4. My daily plank routine and variations. Planking is one of the most effective exercises for building core strength and stability. To keep things interesting, I incorporated different plank variations into my routine. This not only helps in targeting different muscle groups but also prevents workout monotony. Some days I do standard planks, which are great for overall core strength and endurance, while other days I'd switch it up with forearm planks, side planks, or even plank jacks. Forearm planks are excellent for reducing strain on the wrists and focusing more on the core. Side planks, on the other hand, are fantastic for working the obliques and improving balance. Plank jacks add a cardio element to the routine, making it more dynamic and challenging. Sometimes I also include planks with leg lifts or shoulder taps to further engage my muscles and enhance coordination. Adding variety not only challenged my muscles but also kept my mind engaged. Using resistance bands or other equipment can also intensify the workout. After completing my plank routine, I always make sure to stretch and cool down. This helps in muscle recovery and prevents any potential injuries. Incorporating these variations into my daily routine has made a significant difference in my fitness journey. It keeps me motivated and ensures that I am constantly improving. Tracking my progress and setting new goals also plays a crucial role in maintaining my enthusiasm and commitment to my plank routine. Remember, proper form is key to getting the most out of your planks and avoiding injury. Always focus on maintaining a straight line from head to heels. With dedication and consistency, planking can be a rewarding and effective part of your fitness regimen. Section 5. The results: stronger, more mindful, and ready for more. After 30 days of planking, I definitely noticed a difference. My core felt noticeably stronger, and my overall endurance had improved. But it wasn't just about the physical changes. I also felt a sense of accomplishment and mental discipline. Section 6. What's your fitness challenge? Have you ever thought about what it takes to push your limits and achieve your fitness goals? This challenge taught me that consistency is key, and even small changes can lead to big results. Whether it's waking up early for a morning run or squeezing in a quick workout during lunch, every effort counts. So I want to hear from you. What motivates you to stay active? Is it the desire to feel stronger, to look better, or simply to improve your overall health? What fitness challenge are you going to take on? Share your goals with us. Are you aiming to run a marathon, lose weight, build muscle, or maybe just maintain a healthy lifestyle? Let's motivate each other to live healthier, happier lives. Together, we can create a supportive community where everyone encourages one another to reach their fitness aspirations. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. So, what's your first step going to be?